Hi guys, big up on yourself, you know. And this crude coat, they me and my virgin here, par. Rat. Same? Alright. Yeah man, I rat this. Rat. I say I have a rat in my room, I aim this. I don't read rat still. Alright, so done a beat. I'm gonna show you the end result and then I'm gonna show you the makeup of it. So more you guys just tune in, check it out. I won't make this long, promise you. Seen? Alright. And just remember guys, if you're new to the channel, just consider subscribing. And also if you want the latest videos, just click the bell now. See I will send the message. Alright. Alright, so this is the beat. I run it. I go and play. Okay, so I'm going to show you the makeup of it now. I'm going to just call this beat a reflex. And when we finish, mix it out. I'll put it in my beatstars page, so you can go there, go check it out in its entirety. And you can also consider purchasing it too. Alright, so we start now. How I do my stuffs is my first 8 bars are intro. Then after the 8, then you have the chorus, then you have the verse part. Alright, so, and it can be done interchangeable with the exception of the intro. Some persons don't use intro, they just go straight to the song. Some persons put the verse before the chorus, and on and on and on. Interchangeable. So normally if a person say, boy, okay, they email me for the beat, but they say, you know what, I want the verse before the chorus, I don't want no intro in it or so. Then I just go and I change these up. And let me just show you it run. As I say, I'm trying to go as quick as possible. Let me start with how me do go to the pattern, and the pattern is the individual part of it. So for this now, let me make it play. Alright, let me go a little bit more in it. This beat is 90 beats per minute. Okay? And I have the metronome on. And you already know, if you watch my videos, you know the metronome is a guide to show you how to work with the BPM, which is beats per minute. Okay? So, since I have it up, you can do 2 things here. You can right click and go in the piano roll, which is that here. Let me go back again. You can double click here as well, or you can go straight to here. So let me just, as I said, let me show you. Double click, bang bang, and I'm there. So this is where I got this here from, and I'll call this pluck. I don't know, I spell it wrong. I can change it anyway. So it's F2. It's supposed to be a K. Sorry, F2, and change this to a K. I just don't know. Pluck. RC. Alright, you can spell it how you want to spell it, nevertheless. Let me double click here and go back. Or I should have showed you what I use. I use the flex and I got the pluck here. I use my keyboard. When I heard it, I say yes, I like it. Because normally you go and when you search these places, you find that you have so much choices. And sometimes you can't even make up your mind. So me now, when I find something I like, I don't even search further because it's going to corrupt you. Right. So I did that. And this is the sound that I created. Okay, so that's the plug there. Then after that now, and you know what I should do? I should do it like this. Pop. Yeah. Do it like this. Good. Alright. So the next one is the string. Let me go to the string now, which is I got it from the this here, the citrus. And the citrus, when you go here, the citrus is where it is now. It is citrus right here. Okay, that's where I got it. So let me go in it now. And this is the sound that I got from the citrus. Okay, I have the metronome on. I can take it off, but as I say, it's a guide. I'll take it off. Next sound that I found now is the what I put on it is the kick. Well, you know the kick goes already. This is the light kick. So it's every 4 bars 4 beats that I put this one on, and this is the light kick. There. Yeah, so when it reaches the 4 bars, that's what I do. Next one is the hat. Let me go here and go in it. Sorry. It is the same thing from the kick. When you reach the 4, right. The next one is the snare. Quantize that. Next one is I'm just running through all of them. So after the snare, then the second kick, which is the heavy one. Right, if you realize the first one was every 4 beats, which is here, 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 here with the missing one, but for this one is the heavy one. Hear it. Doom, doom. Oh, I should have turned up the velocity, you know. These, yeah. Save that. Alright, so that's the second kick. I just call it second kick. For the shaker now, no, I don't like that sound. This sound, it shouldn't be here. I think this should be here. And then this here, let me go quantize and see if it fits. Yeah, this not for there here. This is supposed to be here. Yep, so that's the shaker. Let me move to the next one now. The poison. And this is the one that I like using it. It gives the little arpeggiated sound. And I got this from this here, the poison. It has various sounds, but I like this one, so I put in it. And the next one is the pigment. Now the pigment is the thing that you have to purchase. This is not a built-in stuffs. And this is the pigment. And the sound that it gives is yeah, that's the pigment there. And the synth now, where I got this one? Pigment, I got it from as well. Yep. And the next is the hi-hats. You know, hi-hats come from already. This one is every other beat. After that, I went for the clap. Turn on the metronome so you have a reference. And the last one is where I went for this here. And I went for it from the arcade. Arcade is not a built-in thing, you have to purchase it, and there it is. So it gives you some sounds that, you know, fits in. So let me go now and I will play it. So I played the 5 bars right here, because the 5 bars will have, I think, have everything in it. So I start with this now, and you hear. I'm gonna play the string now. Alright, I'm introducing the kick now. Yeah, the kick. This kick. It's the first kick, which every 4 bars. Listen to it. except the vocal, and the vocal is, I put it on the what is it, not the intro, not the chorus, the verse part. So that is how it sounds in general, all the instruments. So I'm gonna play it again and let you hear it, so you know what I'm talking about. I'll just play the from scratch and let you hear it. Nutshell, and it goes all the way to the last. When it reaches the last, now I introduce two choruses back to back. Right, so I hope you check it out. I'm gonna finish this up, clean it up, and I'm gonna post it on my BeatStars page so you can go and check it out. So, as usual, this is Duke from Vybz Beats, and have that. I'm out of here.